How to fix bad quality uploads on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up the Snapchat application right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now once inside the profile icon, you want to click on the settings right here, scroll down, and you can just go ahead and look for data saver. You want to make sure that this option is turned off in order to ensure that you will always upload better quality on Snapchat even though you are using your mobile data. Right after that, scroll down and you want to click on the clear data option. In here you want to click on clear cache, and you can just go ahead and click on clear to confirm this procedure. Now this will go ahead and get rid of some minor glitches and bugs that have been installed to your Snapchat. Right after that, you can just go ahead and make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. You can go ahead and do that by navigating through the App Store or the Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. And in that way, you will be able to fix bad quality Snapchat uploads. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.